Hello, welcome to this video of learning the beautiful art of Tezhip. Here I'm gonna teach you simple stems and how to trace them and copy them using a transparent paper. After learning the Khataee or floral motifs, we need to put them together. To do so, we will make some simple stems with flowers and leaves and buds, and the important point here is to sketch them in the right forms which we already learned and practiced together. As you can see, I start with the placement of my motifs and very simple shapes. Then I will add the details inside them. Try to sketch them with the minimum pressure of your pencil because you need to correct them again and again. I will put one bud at the top of this stem, and all of the motifs should be appropriate with each other. This is the first sample and I will change it a lot. I add some leaves and some more details here. Now I will think more and I change some motifs. My name is Shiva Chavushian and this is Learning Tezhip channel. Please subscribe if you are interested to learning this beautiful art because I'm making more videos for you. I need to think about my sketching and its details, and I need to change if I need. You can bring your paper and pencil and practice all of them with me. And then you can share them with me using the email address that I'm gonna put it in the description portion of this video. Here I will add another sample for you. I put the placement of my motifs, my flower, and then I will add the details. You need to change the first sketching and make it better and better in all of the steps. And I will have some smaller flowers here, some stems here. Now I have the placement and the size of my motifs. I can add more details. Some round flowers. And the leaf at the top. top of it. The beautiful thing about Tazhib is that it's simple and complex at the same time. You can see it is not complex when you look at it one motif at a time. But the final sketching, the final artwork is always complex. I'm trying to apply all of the rules in my sketching. Now I can correct them more. It is so relaxing and nice. I love sketching these flowers. Now I'm gonna take a piece of transparent paper and I will show you how to trace it and copy it into other paper. I will put the transparent paper and I will fix it using tapes, so I'm sure it will not move while I'm sketching. And now I'm gonna trace it using my 0.3 mechanical pencil. You can change it a little bit at this step and correct the errors as well. Each step is important in Tezhip. You need to be mindful and patient while doing it. And the next step. I forgot the small petals of this Shabbasi flower, so I can correct it here and I can add them. Thank you so much for all of your kind messages. It is really nice when I see someone in the other part of this world is learning this art. I'm adding the smaller petals. Perfect. Now I'm gonna fix it on a white paper and I burnish it using an agate burnisher to have the motifs on other paper. You can use any curved stones or even your nails to copy this on the paper. Don't forget to fix it using tape because if it moves while you are doing the copying process, the result will not be satisfying. And I need to check it. Perfect. And this is the final result of our sketching and tracing and copying. I hope you enjoyed it all. See you soon.